Hello, Mr. Giffen. I'm a nurse, Iskia.
Hi, nurse.
Is this your first blood test, Mr. Giffen?
Oh yeah, this is my first time for a blood test, and I don't really like the blood, and sometimes I feel really dizzy.
Uh, that's fine. Well, let's go step by step. First, please roll up your sleeve for me. Okay, thank you, sir. And now, let me disinfect your arm first. Okay. And now let me tie the tourniquet around your head. Okay.
Oh, it's tight.
Okay. It's okay. It won't take long. And can you close your eyes and tell me something cute?
Okay. Oh, something nice. I have 3 grandchildren right now. I really love them so much. They are cute. They are funny. They are playful, and I miss them so much.
That's good stories. And can you help me for press the cotton ball?
Okay.
Okay. I need a minute for change the specimen tube.
Oh, I feel really dizzy.
Oh, that's okay. Now, hold your cotton ball in to your arms. Okay, that's right, sir. So take a deep breath and close your eyes. Okay, good, sir.
I don't like this.
Yes, keep breathing. It's down now, and I'll send this to the lab.
Okay. I don't feel so good, nurse.
Yes. Just keep breathing and close your eyes, sir. Okay. Just relax. Okay. Keep breathing.
Oh yeah, thank you, sir.
How do you feel?
A little bit better than before. Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir.